Photo shoot.
Roger, Roger.
Fuck that bitch, try put the fee on it. Bet put the free on it. If it's about money, then we on it. Water on my neck, you can ski on it.
Let's have some breakfast. I have some orange marmalade and toast. Orange. This slime is so fun to mix. It has a super fluffy and chewy end texture. Restocking this on Saturday.
I started selling a series of crushed slimes in my shop many months ago, and they've all become super popular on my website. This week I went with an orange crushed slime based off the soda, and you're watching me make it right now. It has a vibrant orange color and is scented just like orange soda, which smells super realistic. It will also come topped with a Fanta bottle charm along with some adorable orange Fimo slices, which give the overall slime such a fun aesthetic. It will be restocked in my shop this Saturday along with several other new slimes. It is excellent for ASMR and bubble pops, and I love it so much. Thank you all so much for watching, and comment what your favorite soda is.
On my neck.
Taking a chance, cause I like you a lot, so I'll give it a shot, give it all that I got. La-di-da-di-da, la-di-da-di-dee. Suddenly you call my name and I lose my brain and I float up to the moon. La-di-da-di-dee, la-di-da-di-da.
Bestie, send this to Bestie. Hey Bestie, stop what you're doing, go over to the refrigerator and get a piece of cheese. Then go over to the mirror and hold up the cheese and record yourself saying, I have a piece of cheese. I have a piece of cheese.